Alright guys, Jumps TV Media, we're here with Mr. Joshua De La Cruz, the owner of the Paddock Car Wash and Detailing. Sir, good afternoon. Good evening pala. Good evening na. Thank you very much, sir, for allowing us to feature your car and your shop. Sobrang solid. Sir, we just wanna get your insights lang. What was your experience with the training?
Okay, first of all, thank you kay Sir Joms TV Media.
Salamat.
Like and subscribe.
Hey, thank you, sir.
And then yung Team Mirror Shine,
Yeah.
thank you. IGC, thank you. Yun yung gusto namin ikunin sa kanila, yung expertise.
Yes, sir.
Talaga. Yung quality, kung paano gawin yung proper car wash,
Yes,
proper detailing. And hindi naman namin goal talaga yung maramihan, mabilis.
Yes, sir.
Ang goal namin is yung quality para balik-balikan tayo ng mga customers.
Sure. Eh, sir, how was the experience? Okay naman.
Very informative.
Medyo na-challenge yun, ha? With all the products.
Noong una, kinakabahan, nakaka-intimidate, masyado maraming chemical, di ba?
Pero maganda, sir, guided ka kung ano yung dapat gamitin per...
Yan, special thanks to Sir Gab. Maganda
Ayun.
yung pag-explain niya talaga.
Congratulations.
Kasi hindi kami na-intimidate kahit mga first time yung namin makita yung mga chemicals na yun. Na-explain niya paano yun gumagana, paano ginagamit. So yun. Thank you, Sir Gab.
Yes, sir, Gabs. Congratulations. Ayun, sir, last na. What can we expect with Paddock?
Okay, so for our grand opening, more quality heading your way. Hindi lang sa proper car wash. Meron pa tayong mga detailing. Also, in the future, lahat ng mga services natin,
correct.
including tinting tsaka mga PPM. So yan, yung mga F1 fans yan.
Yan. So, bali, sir, explain mo nga, sir, saan galing yung name for the benefit of everybody.
Okay, so ang name ng shop ay The Paddock, Car Wash and Detailing. So yun ay yung isang special place sa isang racetrack.
Yes, sir.
Kung saan tumatambay yung mga owners or yung mga nanonood doon
Correct.
para manood ng race or para bantayan yung team nila. And yun din yung gusto natin gawin dito sa Paddock kasi malapit sa puso yung kotse natin. Habang naliligo yung kotse, so nakikita mo siya. Kaya meron tayong second floor na may viewing area. Actually, yung waiting area natin sa ground floor, kita din yung kotse natin.
That's nice. Tapos, maglalagay ka ba ng videos ng mga F1 races?
Yes!
Yan!
Yes! Baka magka-watch party tayo!
Watch party. Alright, yan. So, just wait. Sir, kailan ang opening?
After Holy Week.
After Holy Week.
After
So,
Holy
just,
Week.
stay tuned with
Stay tuned.
the Facebook.
Parating na ang ating social media platform.
Ayan. So yun, sir, congratulations and thank you. Sobrang solid, sobrang enjoy kami. And ayun guys, yung kotse ni sir. Ayun sir, yung kotse mo is a
2005 Toyota BB. Na naging 2025 Toyota.
Sobrang kinis kasi naging test car siya ng IGC products. And sir, anong masabi mo?
Okay, ngayon ko lang, 13 years ko ng kotse. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung sarili ko dun sa panels.
Sobrang eto. Guys, check out yung full video natin with the car. And of course, the full video of this one, of the Paddock. Kasi marami tayong na-feature with this car wash. Newly, soon to open car wash. Ayan. Sir, congratulations and we wish you all the best sa future. Sobrang solid. Sir, please invite them.
Okay, so now, meron na kami soft opening.
Yeah.
Meron tayong standard and premium car wash pa lang. Pero yung full services natin is, ayun nga, after Holy Week.
Okay.
So, abang-abang lang.
Yan.
And ulitin ko ulit, thank you.
Well, thank you rin, sir.
Thank you, Joms TV Media.
Thank you very much, sir. It's really an honor and a pleasure. And, sir, where can they find you?
Okay, so we're located at 31 Bayani or Quezon City. Bayani Street, malapit kami sa Banawe. Malapit kami sa E-Road, malapit kami sa GR.
Hindi kayo maliligaw guys kasi maglalabas sila ng something very surprising na sir.
May merch na.
Yan, may merch na. So abangan nyo yun guys. And of course, yung Facebook nila, abangan nyo rin, di ba sir, soon to be launched na. Alright, basta check out Joms TV Media will going to put all their informations there. Tapos yun, you can contact them. Alright, Sir Joshua, maraming salamat really. It's an honor. Thank you very much. It's really a pleasure. Thank you very much for having Joms TV Media here at Napata Car Wash and Detailing. Have a great day, sir. Like and subscribe, guys. Bye. Guys, ayun pala yung ayun yung detailer. Ayun, oh. Alright guys, ito yung kotse ni sir na Toyota BB. Sir, anong model to?
2005.
2005. Ayun guys, oh, tingnan nyo. Ngayon lang ako nakakita talaga ng buo nito. Ang luwag pala nito. Sir, in terms of maintenance, madali naman.
Madali kasi lahat Vios parts.
Ah, VS parts. Okay. Pero ito sir, it's JDF, Japan.
Japan, ano siya, yung converted.
Ah, okay. Ah, kaya yung orientation niya kanina.
Meron siya nung converted na standard sticker.
Ah, okay. Laki nung legroom.
Pati headroom.
Pati headroom. Ayan. Si sir, ang height is 6'3". Oh. Yun guys. Kasa si sir. Oo nga. Masarap gamitin, sir. Daily driven, madali.
Hindi ka lang makikipag-unat.
Kasi nga, because of the engine is quite limited. Pero, comfy. Yeah.
Iwas road rage.
Oh, gusto pa naman yung road rage. Oh, iwas road rage na. Grabe, ang ganda. So, guys, ito pala yung sineramic. Ito, ayan, yan yung kanina. Grabe. Personal car ni sir. Tapos BB, Toyota BB. Sir, ilang years na sa ito?
13.
13 years. Hindi, sir, estudyante ka pa.
College car.
Shout out friends natin in Lasal. Animo Lasal. Yan. Guys, check natin. Tingnan. Sir, pakita ng loob ah. Ayan guys. Oh, ito. Ito yung loob. Oh, ang luwag. Ang bango. Guys, tingnan nyo. Naka-central, ano. Sir, pero ito, original na left dashboard.
Brand new yung dashboard.
Okay.
Pero the rest, ito nilipat na. Ito ay pina-upholster natin yun.
Oo nga, no?
Pero yan, pwede kayong tatlo.
Ay, oo. Oo,
Kasi
kasi.
yung cambio natin nandito.
Naka-panel shift siya. Alright. Pero solid guys. Tingnan nyo, speedometer pala yung nasa gitna para sports car. Ganda. Ang cute. Sir, matipid?
Matipid. Average.
Average. Kasi Vios ang engine. Alright.
Napakita natin yung
Ayan,
engine.
tingnan natin. Guys, check natin din yung engine detail ng mirror shine. At saka of course, yung tinrain ni Sir Gabs dito sa dapa. Tingnan nyo naman. Pwede kumain ng sushi. Isang linis yung makina. Solid, oh. Grabe. 13 years na kayo, sir. Tinan mo, mukha bang 13-year-old car na yan. Pero sir, originally, anong year to lumabas?
2005.
Ah, 2005. Oo nga, no? Nakita ko si sir, 6'3", parang nagkasa dito. Yung pala, maluwag yung kotse. Ano, Sir Gabs, magkano ka na ba?
Gusto ko.
Diba?
Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club. Any shoutout ba, sir? Member ng... May group ba to?
May group. Toyota BB Group. Toyota BB Club.
Hello sa inyo. Solid. Any advice, sir, sa mga gusto mag-BB?
Well, okay na siya. Okay na yung market price.
Okay na, sir.
Okay na kayo.
Saka, sir, yung conversion yata, dati, ang problema yata is yung conversion. Medyo hindi pa siya fine ng konti.
Make sure lang na meron sila ng sticker na standard. Nabura na yun sa akin. Pero ito yung sinabi sa akin na may thumbs up.
Ito yun. Ito yun, sir. So, ibig sabihin, safe at saka tama yung... Alright. Okay. Sobrang solid. So guys, check out the full video. Ayan. Pak! Right. Sir, Joshua, talaga, thank you. Solid. Sobrang thank you. If you guys are in the area here in Manila, check out the Paddock Car Wash and Detailing. Ayan, let's go. All right, Jumps TV Media. Thank you very much, sir. Have a great night. Have a great night. God bless. And more power. Like and subscribe. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Mirror Sign. Shout out sa Mirror Sign. Congratulations. Solid.
New friend.
New friend.
Quality dito na kayo magpalitil.
Yan.
Sulit ang pera.
Solid. Solid. Nice. Tingnan naman. Ayos lahat dyan. Check out the full video, guys. Ito yun. Alright, bye. Sir Josh, thank you. Thank you very much. Sir Gabs, thank you. Thank you. Jumps TV Media. Bye. Okay, doon sa mga existing na car wash at saka sa mga magbago mag-open na car wash, abangan nyo si Sir Joshua magdi-distribute na nito soon. No, sir?
Meron tayong modular retractable upholstery.
Ayan, guys. Para hindi nakakalat lahat ng hose.
And yung logo niya pwede dito sa gilid.
Ayaw nga, no?
Pwede ilagay.
Oo, pwede. Joms TV Media, pwede doon. No? Shoutout doon. No? O, yan. Tapos nga pala, nabanggit ni sir, itong area na to, for rent, no, sir?
For rent.
O, yan. So, check out nyo.
Yung mga aspiring businessmen or mga
Yeah.
successful na dyan. 38 square meters with toilet, with kitchen. 20,000 per month.
20,000 per month, sir. Okay. Ayan, guys. Check out nyo lang dito sa Paddock. Ayan. Solid. Hanapin nyo na Sir Josh or kontakin nyo na lang yung Facebook page soon. Alright. Thank you.